Hello everyone, I'm Ligo. Today's topic is Kai and Jennie's fortune harmony analysis. At the request of a YouTube subscriber, I analyzed the fortune harmony between Kai and Jennie. Kai from EXO and Jennie from Blackpink. What about their fortune harmony? And do you really think it's a breakup? The latter referring to themselves is the word Kai is likened to a rock and Jennie is likened to a sea. Rocks want to give you love when they meet seawater. Stage 1 is a good meeting. Let's find out how they feel about their spouse. Kai recognizes his girlfriend as a very cute and lovely person. Jennie recognizes her boyfriend as a friend. I think this kind of meeting is a good one. But all of them are located next to the letters that correspond to their spouses. They are very close to each other. It's similar. The pink heart is a letter that corresponds to a real spouse. Furthermore, Kai is associating with the letters that correspond to women. And overall, he is a very caring person for his spouse. Jennie has a very close relationship with her spouse, right next to her, and she knows how to be loved and understand the man's heart. Jennie's version is full of charms that men can't help but fall in love with. In the picture, I've simply marked it, and the circled part is either the artistic part of them or the part of their skills. Kai's energy is very strong. Kai is very willing to expand his capabilities and fulfill his dreams. Jennie seems to have a relatively small power, but as you can see in the next picture, she has a great drive to pursue her dream. And the best thing about all of them is that they are alive with artistic details. Fans cannot help but cheer for them after discovering their great charm in their activities. If you want to succeed, make the details come alive. As the saying goes, both of them have strengths in this respect. It's a good fortune talent. The picture above shows the same energy as their own. Kai looks weak, but he also has the energy to help, so he's not that weak. Jennie has the same energy as herself. If she has a set goal, she will be able to push it to the end without fail. And she has excellent physical intelligence, so she has excellent ability in sports, dance, and other activities. All of them have good luck with their amazing talents as entertainers. However, the temperature of fortune is considered very important when looking at the combination of fortune between men and women. But both of them have cold fortunes. There is no warm fire. Instead, it is full of cold matter and water energy. Therefore, they too have a good relationship with each other for attraction and charm. But the temperature is a bit disappointing. In this case, they are attracted to each other, but as time goes by, it feels like they are moving away. If love turns into affection between men and women, it means that it is difficult to move on to that affection. But 70% of people's luck is their own effort. I can't judge everything with the energy of 30% of the fortune. I don't know whether they two really broke up or not, but I hope them succeed in everything they do and be happy. Thank you. Subscribe, thumbs up please. Thank you very much. Bye.